I'm Greg Bear, and I'm not here to sell you something. I am here to offer you a practical approach to life and relationships that is unique in all the world, and it will revolutionize your life. This is different from anything you've ever seen. I'm here to share 30 years of experience, from writing 20 books, speaking at hundreds of seminars, producing thousands of videos, counseling thousands of people, and training counselors around the globe. All around you, close around you, is a world filled with anger, social contention, children out of control, and widespread addictions to substances and unproductive behaviors. It can be overwhelming, but there is a solution. And although it's not going to be easy, the solution is simple because the underlying problem is the same for all this misery. We begin by understanding what we all need and want most, which is love. Intuitively, you already know that. If an infant cries, you already know that he or she wants to be picked up and held tenderly. What people don't know is that not just any kind of love will give us the genuine happiness we all want. What we really need is what I call real love, where we care about the happiness of another person without wanting anything in return. It's truly unconditional. So in real love, there is no disappointment or irritation or frustration. None. Come on. Is that possible? Yes. And that is my mission in life, to spread the message and the feeling of real love in the world. Why? Because when people feel unconditionally loved, they're happy. Such people simply do not need to get angry. They raise happy and responsible children. They love their partners. They work out issues at home and at work without all the competition and fighting. I know what unhappiness is. I know firsthand the misery of divorce, hurting children, addictions, and suicidal thoughts. So I'm committed to this. I give 90% of my professional time free to people who want to change their lives, children, marriages, and more. And I feel great joy as I hear from uncounted thousands who have successfully experienced these changes and the happiness they were looking for. Would you like to be far happier than you are now? Would you like to help your children, your marriage? Oh, you really can. Devour the hundreds of hours of material here on reallove.com. If you're a parent, easily the most important role in the world, I recommend realloveparents.com, where you can unlock the straightforward, practical path to becoming a ridiculously effective parent. You have a profoundly rewarding adventure ahead of you.